Hello everyone, my name is Jaswant and I welcome all of you to the video resume tutorial 5. In video resume tutorial 4, we learned the common mistakes while making a video resume. Today we shall discuss frequently asked questions in a video resume. Why is video resume preferred over conventional paper resume? Practically speaking, video resume saves hiring time of a recruiter. It's a productive screening tool of a recruiter. However, video resume is just a part of a recruitment process and it's not a replacement for a paper resume. Do we need to record our video resume from a studio? Not required at all. You can record at your home, ensuring proper background, light and sound. Is it necessary to add visual effects to our video resume? No, it's not. Do not get overawed with movie mode video resume which has multiple scenes moving back and forth. A simple and a confident presentation will suffice. However, visual effects like adding images and keywords will always be a value addition. Do we need any professional help to add visual effects to our video resume? Visual effects is no rocket science. YouTube has many tutorials on this. Either do it yourself or you can always take professional help. Do we need to follow a particular sequence of content while presenting in a video resume? There is no such rule. However, a sequence or a structure works. Can we add some images to explain some content in a video resume? Yes, you can. But ensure you use images which complement your words when you're delivering. While recording, do we need to stand on left or right or center? Center position is always preferred if you are not using visual effects. And with effects, standing position on right is preferred. Shall we shoot ourselves half or full while recording? Half is always ideal and standard. I'm not good at presentation. How can I make an impactful video resume? You do not need to be very good at presentation while making a video resume. What is needed is how have you prepared, practiced and rehearsed for this. I'm not comfortable with camera. What shall I do? Prepare the draft of your content, stand in front of your camera and rehearse and rehearse. I'm not fluent in English. Will it be a barrier? Absolutely not. You are not presenting impromptu. You can redo anytime if you feel it didn't go well. How can I make my video resume interactive and attractive? There is hardly any scope to interact in a video resume of 60 to 90 seconds. However, visual effects works. These inputs will certainly help you to make a flawless video resume. If you have any question, use the comment box below. Stay alert and stay subscribed to my channel for my next video on group discussion.